Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to use Envato Elements license on YouTube. We have the link to Envato in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. So, how do you use the Envato element in the best possible way? Envato provided guidelines in the Envato element license FAQs. Now, because there are lots of questions that can be asked, there is a long list of questions and answers for every use case. Now, in this video, we'll be leading you to the page in principle so you can get here and find your specific question and get the right answer in each specific use case. Now, of course, you can see on the right here, you can see general questions, license application, social media, if you're using it for social media. But in our case, we're talking about YouTube, and of course, it's part of social media. So the first thing we will need to click on is social media. And then right here, you can see the questions that are asked. You can see, can I use items downloaded from Envato Elements library on social media posts such as Instagram, Facebook, etc. And of course, you have YouTube included. Then here you can see, can I use music items downloaded from the Envato Elements library on YouTube videos? So let's click on this. Now it's going to take us to this part of the whole article where you have answers for social media. And specifically, can you use the items downloaded from the Envato Elements library in YouTube videos? And this is the answer at the top right here. And of course, it explains that it depends on how the music is used in the YouTube video. So it's not just a yes or no. It talks about the value of the end product. Now, the end product is the actual video you're using for YouTube. It must not be predominantly derived from the music. So if you get a music from Envato and the whole video is all about the music, then this will not be accepted. It says here that the value of the end product must stem from a combination of the music and the visual, as well as other elements. So to keep it simple, if you're using music from Envato, it must be accompanied by other aspects of the video. So it's not just a music video, because if it is, without any other addition that makes it less predominant as a main feature, then Envato will flag this as a breach of agreement. So basically, go ahead and use Envato music if you want, but also make sure that it's not the main thing. For example, you can use it as a background sound and as effects, but if you're using the whole music just as the main content in your YouTube video, this will not be accepted. So of course, reading through this and understanding how you can use it for your own case scenario is vital. Now, of course, this might look like a lot. However, it is important to take note of these in order to avoid problems later. Then of course, you have more questions. Do I need to relicense Envato Elements assets for each episode when creating an intro, outro for YouTube videos? Well, the straight answer is no, provided what was licensed remains unchanged. So if you're making any tweaks and adjustment, you have to relicense that element. Of course, there are more links right here, correct usage of items and prohibited usage of items. Now, if we scroll right back to the top, right here you can see, while we can provide general advice, in all cases, you should refer to the full license wording. So if we click on the full license wording, it makes things a little bit easy. So these are 4 information cards. You have one simple commercial license, create a new license, each per use, clear guidelines on what's not allowed, and the future proof licensing, even if you unsubscribe. Of course, we'll be providing the link to this in the description, or you could go ahead and pause this video in order to read through everything to know the best approach for your use case. Don't forget that we have the link to this and the link to Envato in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.